Have you received a roofing quote that suggests installing new shingles right over your existing roof? It sounds like a great way to save money, but could it end up costing you more in the long run? In this video, we're going to explain what a roof overlay is, why some contractors offer it, and why we've made the decision not to install new shingles over an existing roof. By the end, you'll understand the pros and cons of roof overlays and why we believe a full tear-off gives homeowners the best long-term value. Hi, I'm Tanner Cox. I'm a project manager with Hoel Roofing and Remodeling. Today we're going to give you a little information on overlays. And what is an overlay? It's when you install a second layer of metal or shingles over an existing layer of shingles. Some building codes do allow it, but that's one thing we never do. It will come across as a lower cost option, and it's for that reason. There's less labor, you're not tearing anything off, you're basically just laying down over top of it. But that can cause a lot of issues in the future, and it's not in the homeowner's best interest. So some contractors today do recommend overlays, and their reasons for recommending that is to lower their labor costs. It's a faster installation process for them, the contractor. Less of a mess, less debris, less disposal for the contractor. So if you didn't catch up to it, it's for their benefit, not for yours. So Hoel Roofing has decided across the board we do not do layovers, and there's plenty of good reasons why. You can't fully inspect the decking, look for any water damage, possibly mold, or anything that would disrupt the new shingles you're about to put down. The hidden damage will go completely unnoticed, where on a layover it'd just be covered up. Existing flashing problems remain buried. It's the stuff that you can't see. And it just prevents you from evaluating the entire roof and putting together the accurate, correct plan for the homeowner. So there are plenty of problems that an overlay can cover up. You have rotten decking, moisture damage, improper ventilation, old flashing, previous installation mistakes. A lot of overlays, they try to conceal it, that there even is a second layer. But all of those issues, you cannot figure out an accurate answer unless you completely tear off. So when you're laying over, you're just taking a guess. Layovers directly affect the lifespan of a new roof. It can cut it in half, even cut it way lower than that. The layover just does not ensure a clean install. Those shingles or metal need to lay right, and any pop-up or any from the old layer of shingles bump, it can cause a leak or cause the performance of that new roof of yours to not do what it's supposed to. Also, potential warranty limitations. There's not a shingle or metal manufacturer that I know that'll warranty a layover. So there's plenty of things that you need to investigate and know about before you ever consider somebody doing a layover on your roof. The warranties are very important to us. We want to make sure you're protected. That's why our installs really set us apart. We do them the proper way, and we even overkill them. We do the extra stuff that's going to give you that full lifespan, protect you from leaks 15 years through your 30-year roof. We do that extra mile just for your benefit. So the warranties, we do installs where we offer a 4-year labor warranty with every replacement. And that right there, when you really look through it, that lets you know that we can back up what we say we can do. So the key benefits of doing a complete tear-off are you can inspect and replace any damaged decking that was underneath the shingles, install new underlayment, update the flashing, make sure the ventilation is working as it should. That way the roof is working with you, not against you. And start with a clean foundation for the new roof to lay on. It is very important that these roofs, shingles and metal, are installed the right way. That's the only way you're going to get the full lifespan out of any of these materials that you're putting on your roof. While installing shingles over an existing roof may save you money up front, we found that removing the old roof gives us the opportunity to inspect everything underneath and build a roofing system that's designed to last. That's why we've chosen not to offer overlays ever. If you'd like to learn more about the pros and cons of both approaches, check out the link in the description below, or give us a call at 765-561-4023, and we'll talk you through your options so you can choose what's best for your home.